in my direction. So grateful for that, such a blessing, yeah. Turn every situation into heaven, yeah. Oh, you are my sunrise on the darkest day. Got me feeling some kind of way. Me wanna
Hi guys, how you guys doing? So Caterers sent me a package and I haven't opened it since they sent it, but I wanted us to like unbox it together so you guys could see how the wig looks like. If you do not know Caterers by now, I've done about a couple of videos for them. They sell really affordable wigs that are premium fiber. So if you're looking to slay on a budget, then look no further than to go and check out Caterers. So I love packages. So they sent me this hair detangler. I'm just going to take this out. This is really packaged.
1,000 years later.
So guys, this is a hair detangler and it's used for fiber synthetic hair. So if you know you've gotten a fiber hair from hair caterers or you've gotten any fiber hair, you need to have this in your house because you need it for your fiber wigs. You know how wigs get tangled and they get all cloggy and very disgusting. You don't want to have that because girl, it can be frustrating. So get your hair detanglers from hair caterers. So I got this wig. It is called the Barbie doll. This is how it looks, and unboxing it. In front it has this, and at the back it's called the pre-styled wig Barbie doll style. It has lace frontals, baby hair, and it can take heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, which is really nice. Washing and care tutorial at the back, and it tells you what and what not to do with the wig. So yeah, let's get down to styling. So guys, I'm just unboxing it. Sorry you have to hear my ugly voice up close, and I'm just removing the protective net that comes with it. I really love how the hair is packaged and the baby hair is left defined, and it has this Cinderella look, you know, the way it's packed. This is what's trending now, by the way. The frontal is too long, or the baby hair is too long, so I'm obviously going to have to trim that once I want to fix that on my hair. I'm just sizing the wig now to just know where I'm going to obviously put the glue, and let me just basically know how it's going to fit and size my head. The frontal was too wide, so I decided to add foundation and powder to it to give it an original look. So by the time I lay it, it looks like it's my hair. So to glue the hair down into my hair, I'm just using got2b glue. I couldn't wear a wig cap because whenever I wear wig caps, my hair itches me terribly, so I just glued down to my scalp. So I'm tying this with a satin scarf to just keep my hair in place and let the glue sit. I left that for about 5 minutes or 6 minutes, and I touched up my makeup. Then I took it out. When I took it out, I decided to start laying my frontal or cutting my frontal. I tried to use blade, it did not work, so life tip, don't use blade. Scissors is very easy, and for this it just literally took out the excess lace itself. It was literally working on its own. The frontal, like I said before, I noticed it was too long, so I decided to trim it a bit with blade. I then went over with my, I really forgot what I've done. So I went over with my hair straightener to lay down the edges. Like I said, I felt the frontals were too long for me to do my edges or create my fake edges, so I had to trim it because it was frustrating me. As you can see in this video, I cut and cut and cut till I got my desirable whatever I wanted to get. So yeah, if it means you cutting to just make yourself look comfortable in that edge, girl, cut all you need to cut. So right now I'm just using heat to melt the lace into my scalp, even though it's not going to be perfect, but it's that easy. Voila. So you see the design at the back, it's so cute. It gave me that Cinderella or that princessy look, and just imagine fixing this on your own. You don't even need to go to the salon. It's that easy. So right now I'm just untying the ribbons that were used to create the princessy look. I noticed that they used rubber bands, but afterwards it's no longer rubber bands, it's literally the hair. So you have to be very careful when you're cutting not to cut off the hair itself. I noticed that as I was removing it, every step of the way was just bringing out a new beautiful coil or a new beautiful color, and it was just so incredible. So I finally did take everything out, and I was just like, wow, Yes, this wig is a mamacita wig, you know. I'm here feeling myself. The curls are so beautiful. And then guess what? The color just changed and it just looked amazing. So I decided that I could style it in different ways, and this is one of the ways I styled it. I styled it all back with just the curls everywhere. Then I wore a scarf to give myself that, you know, cute girl look. And then I used the detangler, the hair detangler, and then I made a side part which I finally stuck with. And I really like this side part because it just made me look so cheeky, and you know, it brought out the real beauty of this hair. So that's about all. So see you guys, bye. Thank you so much for watching my video today. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Bye guys.